and that I will preserve.
Ahabwo kwenda kutendeza okugamba obulemu hamwe n'okushesya abareebe b'omukoro, Raphael Vuweno ori omuramuzi Kurugarakai yayekwatiramu kushomesa abo batarikweyesiga omu kugamba Orungyereza.
And it is wiser before you come here, because it is possible you may forget your name. So you print your name there with a pen, so that when you come here you read it. Is that clear? I don't want us to mess up on this exercise.
By the law established, so help me God.
Asimwe Pore, swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter, any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge.
Eki kyareetera aba baarahira batiine bwoba kandi DC aheereza mukuru w'entebe ya Katana habwa district egi ebikwato bya office omu butongore.
Preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, so help me Allah.
Mr. Chairman, this is the supreme law of the land. Use it, since you have just sworn in to protect the law, protect this Constitution as you govern the people of Lyatonde. I also, Mr. Chairman, hand over to you the copies of the Local Government Act.
Abarahize ubwo barimu na Moses Byarugaba owagaruka omu ntebe ya bwa speaker habwa district egi.
I, Byarugaba Moses, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
Ababona nibajwekere gombora munana za district ya Lyatonde.
John, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council, support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Ebyo bikiri aho omujwekero gwa mukuru w'ihanga habwa district ya Bunyangabo Nicholas Kamukama ashabira abantu omu district egi okurekeraho kupima abebembezi babo. Kamukama ebyabigambira aha mukoro gw'obiire ari mukuru w'entebe ya Katano James Mugarama abiire n'ahayo office omu butongore.
If you are still testing, measuring, the yardstick of a leader is a telephone. Mugarama kakurabusi. Why? Tawatasu. How do you pick a phone now? How? I am talking. You can pick a phone? The chairman was speaking. So you pick a phone? So I should be judged. You should be measured on a phone call.
RDC nagira ngo ababiine kucumanya kurungi ng'obumwe abebembezi abantu baba biine ebintu bingi by'okukora kutari kuguma nibakiira amasomo g'abantu bwira bwashesha.
To develop their capacity and the leadership skills. Even when they err, we should be given a chance to restand, to benefit from the chance of coming back again and again and again. You had 2 ministers, you have none now. Where a general can stand, a couple cannot.
Omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gu abiira Brigadier General Robert Mugabe kandi ogashabira abebembezi okwatanisa okwenda ngu bakatungura district egi.
I wish also I could ask even Afande RDC, right from my schools, who was my guardian, His Excellency. Viona ugenda Makerere ukaja hoya. When you ask, the president has been my guardian since I was 11 years to date when I'm a general. Ekyo nkisereka kukigamba nakyo. Hati baranogamba ngo oli mu sitting room Mugabe wona balinka. These are very strong. I'm telling you. We have to mention it.
arukuhayo office egi James asimira abantu ba Bunyangabo aho kumuhereza omugisha kubebembera.
Kyamazima ebintu bingi tubikozere kimu ekinku kusemererwamu obundi yo ndeka district yenu nka chairman okusigaho district y'abantu bakora hamwe obumu omu district ya Bunyangabo. Ego nabamu ombwire wa politics abamu akemkiro akebisuba baitu mu general ndekere district ya Bunyangabo y'abantu abakora hamwe harmonious district niyo ndekere kandi ekikuru muno ekindekere kandi kitakujja kurugaho kandi kujja korobera chema na mshaka kwija ndekere staff.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sandeke William na Jonan Singwirei.